Hi everyone. So I'm gonna show you a day of the interior designer. What do I normally do in a day? Today is Monday, 13th of January, and I'm off to the site meeting in Canary Wharf. I'm taking a train because driving to Canary Wharf from where I am now, it's a nightmare. And it's much easier to take a public transport. I'm in a hood because it's very cold. As I said, it's January. So yeah, it's 8 o'clock and I'm on my way. I arrived a bit early to my site meeting, so I decided to go to the coffee shop to get some lovely croissant and tea. So this is where my project is, and no one is still here, so I have to wait for my client to arrive to open up the door and to see the progress. If you think that interior design is all about creating pretty pictures, yes, we do create pretty pictures, but also this is our reality. Dirty sites, dust everywhere, a lot of organization. From what I can see here, the demolition is nearly done. We just need to remove the rubbish, sort a few things out. The tiles is here, and the paint is coming today to prep the walls for painting. The client is going to arrive. We are going to discuss the progress, but I can see that we are pretty much on track. I'm now on my way back to my office to complete the tasks that I decided to do today, which is having a couple of meetings with my clients, do the design of the hallway for my other client, and do some drawings, chase some clients, all the things that you never have enough time to do. And the most important thing to do is having my lunch, obviously. There's something really special about taking public transport and not driving. I don't know what it is. It just gives you probably time to kind of relax a bit after the meetings and reflect and analyze. Healthy lunch in between my tasks, some salad. I always write down my tasks in the diary, in a physical diary, rather than just on the online diary. And this is where the magic happens. This is where we start the process of designing, drawing, and organization. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments. Thank you.